Hey guys, it's Harmony here from Street Science. Now I'm going to be doing a bacteria growing experiment. What I've done is I've made up some petri dishes in a sterile environment. I've mixed in some gelatin with some chicken style stock, and then I've used this syringe here to pipette into these different little trays. You can have a quick sneak peek. They've just been in their setting, ready to go. So we've used stock because it gives the bacteria a place to rest, and it's really good at cultivating large amounts of bacteria. So now that that's done, the next step is for us to go around the Street Science headquarters with these swabs and take some samples to see just how grubby or riddled with bacteria this place might be. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first let's swab something that we all use heaps in HQ at Street Science, okay? The water bubbler. So let's get a little swab from that. Our manager Laura has left her water bottle here overnight because she's not in today. Maybe we could take a swab from that too. All right guys, what do you think would be the dirtiest place in this building? As much as I don't want to have to swab it, I'm thinking maybe the toilet. Let's do it. You probably don't have to see this though. Okay, I'm gonna try and get a sample from Tasman. How about a non-human living thing? What about, let's see what's on these plants. Maybe we should also try something that doesn't get touched very often. I'm thinking maybe little Steve Irwin up here. Let's see what he's harboring on his face. All right, not to show off or anything, but maybe we should swab one of our many golden awards.
Do you wash your hands well, Justin?
We'll soon find out.
We'll soon find out.
All right, this one's a little gross, guys, but someone's got to do it. This is an obvious one, but a good one. Let's see what the trash has to offer us. Now that I've got all my samples, it's time to put those Q-tip swabs inside of the corresponding petri dishes. Okay guys, so it's been a few weeks since we started our bacteria growing experiment. It's now time to take a look at what has happened in our dishes. So, oh my goodness, we have definitely had some bacterial growth here. So let's go through it a little bit. This one was the swab from the trash. Now that actually looks quite beautiful, and you can tell that we've got a few different types of bacteria growing there, which makes sense because there's a whole different range of things that go into the trash. Cool, and what else have we got here? So, that one was my nose. That's a bit embarrassing. Definitely got some bacteria in there. Now we can see that not all of the dishes have grown any bacteria, which I find quite interesting, and I have a feeling that it might actually be due to human error, the reason why these ones didn't end up growing anything. Maybe I didn't swab it properly, and I did notice that the gelatin was a bit sticky. So instead of maybe the bacteria going onto the dishes, maybe some of the gelatin got stuck to my swab. So that's a bummer, but we've still got heaps of stuff happening here. So this was the tap of the water cooler. Ooh, so got to make sure that we're cleaning that every now and then. And what did we have? The darkest one here was actually the soil of a pot plant in the office upstairs, which is wild. That has grown heaps of bacteria. Now that's really important actually, because we need bacteria in our soil to help break down organic matter. So that's actually a good sign. Now let me just see what those other ones were again. We've got, Laura's water bottle growing some bacteria up there, and the sanitizer pump here. So, good thing when we're touching that, we're sanitizing afterwards. All right, that was a pretty fun experiment. Maybe you could try something like this at home.